welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my everyday makeup routine, and if I'm being honest, I really only have this one look. It's either I'm not wearing makeup like now, or I'm wearing makeup and this is the only makeup look that I have. Anyways, let's begin. So I always begin with my eye makeup because I always have so much fallout from eyeshadow or whatever, so I could just get rid of that when I go ahead and do my face makeup. First thing I do for my eye makeup, always curl my eyelashes. I use this tiny eyelash curler, and look, I got dead straight eyelashes, so I always have to do this first. Otherwise, if I do this last, I end up ruining whatever eye makeup that I've already done on my eyelid. So let's go ahead and curl these dead straight lashes. So next I prime my eyelids before I do any sort of eyeshadow. Honestly, I don't even know what's a good eye primer nowadays. I've just been using the same one for a very, very long time. So then I go ahead and set it with a powder. Now for eyeshadow, and if I'm being honest, I am not adventurous at all when it comes to eyeshadow. Anything to do with my eye makeup, I like to keep it how I've liked it because it's got me a long way to get to this point of knowing how to do my eye makeup, and so I'm not changing it today. So honestly, I just use any eyeshadow palette that I'm feeling right now, and I don't know, I've just been using this for I think the past 2 years. I should probably get a new eyeshadow palette right now, but it's okay. This is my everyday makeup routine and this is what I've been using. So I literally go in with kind of like, I like warm colors. So I go in with like a matte warm base. It's not too dark, just like a medium level shade color in a warm tone. So I put that all over my lid. Then after, I'm going to go in with just a darker, it's still going on the warm tones, I'm going in with a darker color as seen right here. And I'm just going to go like more closer towards my lash line, just darkening it down to a darker color. I don't know. So I like my warm colors, gonna stick to my warm colors. I'm gonna use a glitter shade. It's kind of like this like purpley pinkish shade, and I'm just gonna go all over my lid. So next I am going to go in with eyeliner. I use a gel eyeliner. Always have been using a gel eyeliner because if I'm honest, like eyeliners don't really last on my eye that very long. Like I've used liquid, pencil, all that kind of stuff. Does not last that long. Got oily eyelids, got monolids. It's just a really bad combination. But ever since I tried a gel eyeliner, I have not changed because it just lasts literally all day and it's just, I love it, I love it. So for my eyeliner, I literally do eyeliner just on the outer corners. I don't go throughout like the whole line. I use a black lash glue, so that kind of just fills in all across there as if I got it all across my eye. So as for this, Just gonna do the little flick, the little wing. Now for lashes, I feel like for lashes, I'm always wearing the same eyelashes. I really do like to reuse my eyelashes because I feel like, you know, gotta make it worth it, gotta make it last as long as you can. I mean, like, as long as I still can wear it, I'm wearing it. So I've been wearing these eyelashes for probably too many times, but I'm still using it today, and you know, it still looks good. So as long as I take care of my false eyelashes, they could last probably like up to like 30 times, if not more. I think I do overuse them. But anyways, I really do like these eyelashes. These are by Pinky Go. I've only ever seen this brand in Superdrug, but these, I can't remember what these are called. I will put in the description. But these lashes, I love them. I haven't had like nice lashes like these that really do suit like my eye type, that can, you know, that suit like monolids, hooded lids, that kind of thing. But I saw the reviews on this, and a lot of people with hooded eyelids said that they really liked it. So I bought it and I really like it. So I use a, where is it? I use a black lash glue, if I can find it. This is the black lash glue that I've been using. This is my favorite lash glue. It's fast drying, which that's the best thing I need. So this is the Duo Quick Set Strip Lash Adhesive in dark tone. Just means that it's a black color. So literally, like I said before, it will just like fill in my liner as if I've got liner across the top. So I'm just going to use that for this. Now, if we move on to eyebrows, if I'm being honest, I really do struggle with my eyebrows. I felt like I knew what I was doing with my eyebrows, and like, I really don't. So as of recently, I've been trying out like different eyebrow products and everything. So as for my brows, they're going through a bit of a phase of, I don't know what's going on. All I can say about this is just that I'm trying. So first off, I'm just gonna fill in like my more sparse areas. I feel like I really do struggle with my brows because they're pretty odd. I try to make them as even as possible, but like they're a bit everywhere. Like, tell me why the hairs on this side like to, you know, grow downwards, and the hairs on this side like to grow upwards, and it's a bit of a struggle, to say the least. I really don't know what's going on my brows. Anyway, next product that I'm using, that I'm hoping that will help me, is the Anastasia Brow Freeze. Okay, so now let's move on to face makeup. Got the eye makeup done and out of the way. So first thing I do is I apply my SPF. This is my SPF / primer. So I've been using the Hello Sunday, the one that's got it all. Sun primer, SPF 50. It's also a primer, which is great. Because honestly, when I use SPF, I don't like the texture. It makes me, as someone who's got oily skin, and when I'm saying oily skin, I'm putting emphasis on the oily because it it is oily. So all the SPFs that I've used that are just SPF on its own, oh, on my skin, just the stickiness is uncomfortable. I don't like it. So I'm always up to trying something that has like SPF in a moisturizer, SPF as a primer, and this Hello Sunday sun primer is great, especially SPF 50 is high. Like, I'm in the UK where today, let's talk about the weather. It has been sunny, then rainy, then sunny, then rainy, then sunny, then rainy, and now it's just cloudy right now. We experience not a lot of sun, but I do like to protect my skin from the sun anyways. The only thing about this is that you do have to really shake it up before you use it. The first time that I've used it, the liquid has already been like separated in there, and it just came out, it didn't come out the best way. So every time I use it, I just give it a little shake. It's very similar to kind of like your silicone primers. That's the only comparison I can really say about it, really. But I've been really liking it so far. I apply that all over my face. The main thing that I really love about this is just the fact that it does not feel like an SPF. And another thing to mention about this primer, I mean SPF, no white cast. I've had enough of this white cast of when I'm, you know, in flash photography. I look like a ghost. I've seen a lot of pictures of myself in the dark where flash is being used and my face is bright. So that's another thing that I've been loving about this primer. Anyways, I double up on my primers because this itself is good for kind of like, as a primer itself, minus the whole SPF, it's good for, you know, making things last. But then I got huge pores all across this kind of area. So I like to double up on my primers because I just want to flatten out these pores. So I go in with the, if I can find it. So I go in with another primer, silicone based primer, just to smooth out all these huge pores that I have. So this past year I have not really been wearing makeup at all, and if I'm wearing makeup I'm probably going to be wearing it for the whole day. It's probably a day that I have to wear makeup because this year is a year for being lazy and just staying indoors. So I, you know, haven't been wearing makeup a lot. So when I do wear makeup, I want it to last all day because I'm probably going to be wearing it all day. So I tend to go in with this. This is the foundation that just, I don't know what's in this thing, but it lasts all day and it gives such a nice look. And I just, out of all the foundations, is just the best for me in terms of oil control. So this is the Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation. I've been wearing it like for years. When I'm saying years, I've been wearing this since before uni. So like, it's been a long time right now. Anyways, so I'm just going to dot that around my face and then I'm going to be blending that in with a beauty blender. Now moving on to concealer, I'm just going to be using this ordinary concealer and I'm going to be putting it on my under eyes so I can get rid of these bags. Honestly, my bags aren't that bad. I just don't want them to be on show. I leave that in to set a little bit, and whilst I do that, just so I could have like a little bit of a better coverage on my under eyes, I find that if I blend it in right away, it doesn't blend like I want to blend and my bags are still there. So anyways, whilst I wait for that to just kind of settle in, I'm just going to clean up my brows because honestly, look at my brows. I'm just trying to fix it as much as I can. So I'm just going to get some concealer and then just neaten it up a little bit. trying to fix my brows as much as I can, but I think this is the best I can do. So after that's done, I'm just gonna blend out my concealer now. Now I'm gonna set everything with a powder. This has been discontinued for a long time. I think I say that in every video this product is in. But I bought a lot when it was still not discontinued. And this is the last one I have, but this is like my favorite powder because it really, it's a powder, but it also helps blur things out as well. And also it's amazing for controlling oil, and I just haven't found a powder like this. Even like, this is drugstore, and this was quite cheap as well, but like even high-end powders, I haven't even found anything that compares to this. So after this is gone, I'm gonna be very, very sad. Next, I'm gonna bronze my face just a little bit. I'm gonna be using the NARS something. I don't know what this is. It doesn't say what exactly this is, but the shade is in ginah. I'm gonna use this. It might be a contour palette, might be a bronzing palette, don't know what it's called. I'm gonna use a little bit of this and just to bronze up myself just a little bit. Now for highlight, gonna be using the Becca Cosmetics Shimmering Skin Perfector in Opal. I've had this since there was a hype around it. It's a very old highlighter, but I haven't bought a highlighter in a very long time, and I don't ever see this kind of going away anytime soon. Like, there's still a lot left, so I'm gonna use it till it's gone. I'm just gonna apply a little bit over here, a little bit over here, and just like little bits here and there. I guess that's fine. So I am almost done. I'm just gonna go in with my lips and then the look will be complete. I always go in with a liner that is close to my lip color. I am using the NYX lip pencil in mauve, and I'm just gonna line my lips and then decide what I do to that after it's all lined. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna fill in the whole lip. Honestly, on days where I know I'm gonna be wearing a mask for like the majority of the day, I don't even bother with anything else, and I just leave it as it is, because to be fair, who's really gonna see my lips? And then also, one thing I really do not like, when you're wearing a mask and you got like lip product on, and like all your lip product transfers onto the mask, and then you end up having like a whole load of like lip stuff here and there because you've been talking with your mask. I really don't like that, and I try to prevent it. So if I'm wearing a mask for the majority of the day, it will probably just stay like this. But on the days that I know I'm not really gonna wear a mask for the majority of the time, I go with a lip gloss. I've been really loving lip glosses for the past few like years. So today I just so happened that I'm gonna be using the Lifter gloss by Maybelline. Honestly, this is nothing special. I saw that this was like kind of like a hyped product. I didn't know this was a hyped product because I don't find anything special about this. I have this in the color, I'm using the color, by the way, Topaz. The one thing I do like about it is just like a big applicator, because a lot of the times the applicator is just too small. Okay, this is my everyday makeup. This is a look that I do when I wear makeup, so it's for anywhere that I go. Not just an everyday look. It's a literally everyday. It doesn't matter what event I'm going to, it doesn't matter where I'm going to. If I'm wearing makeup, this is what you get. So this is my everyday makeup routine. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Hope you guys enjoyed.